Hi there students. This video is to compare and contrast three phrases: on the contrary, on the other hand, and in contrast. Okay, we use on the contrary to say something opposite is true. So he said that I felt sick, but on the contrary, I feel fine. Okay, we use on the contrary to intensify denial, to say that the opposite thing is true. On the other hand, we use on the other hand to introduce a different idea, most usually an opposite idea. Okay, we present one factor that gives an opposing opinion or an opposing element or an opposing characteristic. So, for example, in summer, the UK is warm. On the other hand, in Spain during the summer, it's very hot. Okay, so we've got different things. And in contrast is looking at the differences between two things. The opposite of contrast is to compare. So you can compare the things that are similar, that have similar characteristics with two or more different objects, and you can contrast them. You can contrast two different things. You look at their different characteristics. So maybe for my previous example of the UK is warm in summer, but Spain is very hot, I think in contrast, Spain is very hot would be a better phrase. I think on the other hand introduces more opposite ideas. Okay, but both would be completely valid. Okay, let's try. They said I was Chinese, but on the contrary, I am English. Okay, so the opposite is true, on the contrary. I am English. On the other hand, my friend Liu is Chinese. So on one hand and on the other hand. Also again, we could use in contrast. So I am English, and in contrast, my friend Liu is Chinese. Okay, so what's the difference between on the other hand and in contrast? I think firstly we use on the other hand to introduce new or different ideas, okay, that are really quite opposed. When we use in contrast, we are comparing the differences between two things. So some teachers like to focus on grammar. In contrast, as a difference, I like to concentrate on spoken English, on speaking, listening and understanding, and being able to use English to achieve your objectives. Okay? So, on the contrary says no, the opposite is true. On the other hand, we are looking at a different thing. Maybe it's opposing, maybe it's opposite, maybe it isn't. And in contrast, maybe two things have similar characteristics, but we are looking at the ones that are different. Notice, contrast comes from Latin, con, with, and trast, or to stand. So to stand against. So you put things one against the other and you look at the differences. My friend doesn't like spicy food. On the contrary, or to the contrary, I love spicy food. Okay, so I'm saying these two are opposites. My friend likes plain food. On the other hand, I like spicy food. One and the other. And then in contrast, so my friend likes spicy food, doesn't like spicy food. In contrast to him, looking at the differences, I love hot food. Okay? So this is the idea. On the contrary, it's denial, saying this is not true. On the other hand, we're bringing up an opposing factor, an opposing characteristic. And if I say in contrast, I am looking at the differences between two different things. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. On the contrary, in contrast, and on the other hand.